Hi, I'm Joan Lok. In October, I'll be teaching a workshop, a 2-day workshop in Clearwater, Florida, and it will have Floridian favorite subjects, hibiscus, lotus, and also white egret. So in our 2-day workshop, we'll cover the introduction to Sumi-e, how to load the brush, hold the brush with different colors and directions. So you can easily, effortlessly, paint flowers and birds in expressive brushwork. And even you are a beginner, it's okay to join. And then if you are a experienced watercolorist, you're also welcome to join us as well. In this particular workshop, we'll start with hibiscus, and then we'll also work on lotus, which are two very favorite flower. And I will explain the anatomy of the flower and also how to use the brushwork to denote the beauty of a very different but favorite flower in Florida. And then we'll finish the workshop for the first day with lotus flower, and then we'll start the second day with additional work on the lotus leaf, the seed pod, and the flower bulbs to make sure that you know how to do a composition freehand. And then on day 2, we'll also move forward to work on birds. So, and the first one we'll work on is the white egret. So we will finish the workshop with very simple, expressive, and calligraphic work to draw white egret in Sumi-e style, expressive, simple, and elegant style. So I hope to see you in the workshop. Focus on Floridian subject, hibiscus, lotus, and also white egret. So I hope to see you, and do register early because space are very limited. So I hope to see you in October in our 2-day workshop in Clearwater. Thank you. Bye-bye.